time to button up this side. I'm going to measure the friction plates because I actually haven't done that yet, and I would be very upset if they're out of spec because that means I'm gonna have to order them, and I should have did that a while ago. I have the new gasket set here. Just gonna pick out the right one out of here, slap it on there, install all these guys, torque them down, and this side will be buttoned up. So my cousin's a motorcycle mechanic, and he told me to store these clutch plates in some oil. So that's what I got here. I got all the springs out here as well. So the book spec says standard thickness is 3 millimeters and the wear limit is 2.8 millimeters. So I gotta get somewhere in between 3 and 2.8, which is a pretty tight tolerance if you ask me. But I suppose if there's 6 of them, 0.2, that's a millimeter out, a little more than that. All right, so we got 3.05, 3.02. Let's grab another one. Three point oh, 2.99, 2.97. All right, so these things are still great. That's good to know. All right, yeah, so we just throw a friction plate in and then we alternate. So let's do that. Just making sure this is going in the right way. That fell out at one point. Push rod goes in. These guys, the thrust bearing and the washer. The tightening torque on those guys were 5.8 foot-pounds. My torque wrench doesn't go that low, so I just snugged it and then gave it a little more. I don't think I broke anything. So let's get this gasket on. Got the cover, came out all right. All right, where's my cardboard? Here's my cardboard. All right. Now to install the oil switch in the bottom down here. I broke it a little bit, so I'm gonna have to fix that at some point in the future. But I'll deal with that later. Just gonna throw this in there just to have something in there, but I got a new one coming. Yeah. Alright, I suppose I should just fix this now so I can zip it back together. Let's get you out of the way. Basically, I'm gonna just, snip this here, snip it here. Yeah, solder a splice into it. Okay. That's better. Maybe. We'll see. I don't know. Let's install it. Alright. This side cover is on. Not looking too bad. Next on the to-do list is the starter. It's one of those Chinese reproduction models. Not really sure how much it's gonna last, considering is how it's already tweaked itself. But we'll see. Gonna clean it up, spray it. Not really gonna take too much care. This is almost empty, so maybe I'll get it painted with this can, maybe not. Time lapse. Came out all right for just haphazardly spraying the rest of this can onto it. So let's get this tape off. That took entirely too long, but yeah, not bad at all. So you're gonna see it from this point of view when it's on the bike, so good enough. And now it's going to be covered up by a washer, so again, not concerned at all. Let's put it in. Beautiful. All right, now we got the stator here and all the associated wiring. The bike worked, so I'm assuming this is all fine. I'm just gonna hose all this stuff down, clean it up nice and nice, and then yeah, just get it clean, put it back in, and then we can get a new gasket on, slap this case back together. I gotta see if I remember how to put all this stuff back together. Hopefully I do. That was easy. I hope these seals hold here. They seem like they're intact, so we'll see. Alrighty, so beautiful. It's kind of a nice fit. It's a little bendy in spots. Ah, you little bastard. Hey, oh. All right. Whew. We're done. Well, with the bottom half. Got to clean up the paint a little bit. All the wires are pretty much clean. Yeah, we'll figure that out later too. Oh man, I'm so happy I'm at this point in the build. That was a big hurdle. What do we got? Look at it. Looks all right. Looks all right. I'm happy with it. I'm very happy with it. Next episode, hopefully, we'll be sandblasting the jugs and the heads, and then we'll paint those, slap those guys on. We can finish the engine. That's exciting. And then once we finish the engine, I think I'm gonna do the frame. It's either the frame or the tank, haven't decided yet. But honestly, maybe I'll just do the frame. And then I'll just bolt on piece by piece, whatever is next in the sequence. That's the thing I'll prep, that's the thing I'll paint, and that's the thing I'll bolt on. Maybe we'll just do that. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. I'm still trying to kind of figure out exactly how I want all the time lapses and the cuts and the stuff to work. And I'm shooting this all on a cell phone anyways, so. Thanks for watching.